for me. You told me it was destiny. You told me you were meant for me. You told me this is destiny. But you broke my heart so many times. Try to change it. My heart is like a puzzle, rearrange it. Girl, I thought you were the one, but I was wrong. Boy, I had to put my feelings in this song. You said you were meant for me. Yeah, you said this was destiny. Yeah, but you're fake. Girl, you're just a snake. I should've known my bros, they warned me, but I didn't listen. Know my feelings, on my heart missing. Traveling with a Smith & Wesson in my heart, shooting at everyone. Because love is gone, love ain't no fun. They say they wanna be there, but they will never stay. They will only play, they will only play with your heart and your feelings. That's the meaning. They don't wanna see you smile, they wanna see you cry and frown. They want you to be looking like a crown. Like a clown, not a king with a crown. Yeah, I'm the dog, you cannot throw me a bone. Rich nigga, I'm in my zone. Real nigga that I be sitting on my fucking throne. I work for my own, I don't ever lack. I'm a beast, came from the east. I got some bad bitches from Greece. I do this shit, nigga, and you know it's the least. I got this money in my pocket, nigga. I'm a fucking niche. I'ma stay true to myself. Do that shit every time. I only got money that's on my mind. Because the bitches, they acting like they're fine, but they're not, they're just fake. They be snakes in the grass, it won't last. That will be in the past, moving fast, never slow. That bitch, she is a hoe, and that bitch will fuck me, then my bro, ayy.